Hello my peeps, CJ here. Welcome to Ride Along. I hope everyone is doing well and keeping safe. Today we're gonna have some fun and I'm taking you along with me in our car journey. So, before we begin, as usual, let me get some housekeeping done. The purpose of this series is to share my knowledge and passion with you about the automobile industry. That being said, I am not a car salesman, car dealership owner, or anything similar. What I am, however, is a lover of automobiles, a passionate one, and I'm always happy to share my knowledge and experience with you as well as learn more. So, my aim is to help you in the car purchasing process while imparting some fun facts and information and making the experience as much fun as possible. I urge you to always don't take my word alone, but do your own research. And if I do say something that's incorrect, feel free to correct me in the comments. The more we learn together, the better this series will be. In our last episode, we built and designed this beautiful 2021 Honda Accord EXL. Alright, so let's take some different views of it. That's the side profile. That's the 3/4. And I think this is the front. Okay, so if you haven't watched that episode, right now you should be seeing a card in the top right hand corner of the screen. Feel free to click it. It's gonna pause this video and you can go ahead and watch that and come back to it when you're through. In today's episode, we will be seeing what the potential market value for our 2021 Honda Accord EXL will be in the next 3 years or so. Now, according to Direct Express Auto Transport, the average car depreciation at the end of 3 years returns a true market value of 58%. So with that in mind, what we're going to do is we're going to come out of this section here. We purchased our car, we built our car for $36,205. So what I'm going to do is take out my trusty calculator here. And we're going to see with the next 3 years what this would actually be. So let's see here. So it's 36,205, and that means that in the next 3 years this would be the value of our car, $20,998. So let's call that $21,000. Okay. Now today we're going to be using a site called Autotempest.com to see what, as we know, the car would be in the next 3 years, which we said is about $21,000. So what we're going to do is we're going to see what those cars would be versus in the previous 3 years. So we're going to actually go back in time instead of going ahead of time. So we're going to see, compare what it would be for those cars now if we were buying them now used, and what our potential car would be valued in terms of also taking into consideration the mileage as well. All right. So this is the site, Autotempest.com. Now the reason we're using this site and the reason why I like it is because what it does is that it combines a number of the top selling sites across the internet and puts them in one place. So this way you can go ahead and search one location here on this site and it will pull from every one of these here as well as others. Alright, so what I've gone ahead and done is I've gone ahead and done the liberty of actually filling out all the information here. So we have, as I said, it's a Honda Accord. This is within 1,500 miles of us. It's the EXL, right? And we put between 2017 and 2018, which is around 3 to 4 years from now. And this is the mileage that we're looking at. So if we do about 10,000 miles a year, this is what it would fall in this range here. Of course, it's a front-wheel drive vehicle. It's gas. We did it white, as you see here. White, right? And interior was beige. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and when we hit search, this is what comes up. So these are some of our first options, and this is, I believe, from New York. So this is the 2017 Honda Accord EXL. the 2017 as well. As a matter of fact, all of these are 2017. And these are from Carvana. So let's go in. You can see the price here, 21.8, right? And remember what we had said before. We had said that within 3-year depreciation, it would be somewhere around 21,000. So that basically lines up with what this is here. Okay, guys? So let's go ahead and click into this one first. Let's look at some images. Alright, so now this one doesn't have as good wheels as ours. So remember ours had black wheels. Let's zoom in a bit though, and let's take a look at the images before. Alright, so as I said, 2017 Accord EXL, this is a bit hard to see, but don't worry about it. And this is from the front view. This is the side profile. This is the back. And this is the beige interior. Now, if you remember ours as well, ours does also have the beige interior. So let's zoom in and let me see if I can expand this. Right, so see, ours also has the beige interior. So everything almost lined up with that one. Alright, so let's see what else. Those are the back seats. And that's the trunk. And that's the speedometer with the mileage on there. So that's 32,039 miles. And with this here, you actually have two screens. So we have the top and the bottom one, unlike the newer models. And that's from the side. So as you can see, it does have some damage here. Looks like the person may have rubbed up against something here, and it hasn't been fully taken care of. So we can take it into consideration. All right. So now let's go down and look at some specs. Let me see if I can increase this so that we all can read together. A bit too much. Alright, so it's basically saying that it has been kept indoor heated storage for the winter while they were in Florida. It has 32,032 miles as of May 5th. So today I'm recording this is the 26th. Alright, so it might be increased from that now. Non-smoker, which is good. This is always good. Original window sticker, which means that the person took care of the car, because normally when they keep the window stickers, that means that, you know, they value their cars and stuff. And it comes with both key fobs with remote start. Alright. And then these are some more stats. So condition excellent. Well, apart from the side, if I can find it. This side that I showed you right here, right? Other than that, in color, white size, full size, and clean automatic. All right, so that's the first one. Let's go back and let's look at the one of these from Carvana. Let's try this one. All right, so this one now comes actually with the nicer wheels. These wheels are really nice. Go in and take a closer look. Alright, so and as you can see, these are professional pictures that were done. So that's the difference between, depending on how much of a professional you want to be, a car dealership and someone just trying to sell their car privately. Alright, so let's see if we actually get some actual images of the car. I'm not exactly sure if this is the actual car itself. Let me see. Or it actually might be, you know, guys. Alright, so let's get down in here. I have to go through all of these. Alright, so let me just speed up a bit here, guys. Okay, so this is with it with the bonnet up, trunk up, doors open. Do they have any interior shots? Not really, but as you can see, this is the black interior here. I think that's about it. Alright, so let's see what they say about the actual car itself now. Okay, let's see here. So it's in good condition. They list the VIN. FWD means front wheel drive. It's a gas car. It has 33,449, so it's more mileage than the previous car we saw. It's white and it says clean, and They did a 150-point inspection, which is good. Right, no reported accident, which is also great. And you get a 7-day test or money back guarantee. Alright, and they also give you financing options and trades and those stuff. And as you see here, it's a Sport SE. So actually, it would be considered a model above or EXL because this is the Sport. So the Sport, that would explain the wheels, because the normal model doesn't come with these wheels. So the fact that it's saying Sport down here is why it came with the wheels. And as I said, black, 2.4 liter, 189 horsepower, front wheel drive, and the mid again. Alright guys, so what we're gonna do now is, since this is basically the same, we're gonna look at another location here, and let's check out this one here. This is actually a 2018. Alright, so let's check out this one here. Alright, so this is the 2018 Honda Accord CVT. Now, if you had watched the previous episode, I had also built a CVT1. So CVT actually stands for continuous variable transmission. And as I had said previously in the previous episode, it means that basically the car feels like even though it has 6 gears, it only has 1. So when the car changes gears, you hardly feel it. Alright, let's zoom in a bit here. And this interior is black as well. Alright, this is the full wood. That's the left hand side door you're seeing there. That's the right hand side. And then see what I mean here? So from 2018 up, instead of the double-din screens or the 2 screens, it only comes with 1 screen. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I'm not so much a fan of the black interior, although technically speaking, it's easier to keep clean and stuff. That's the trunk with the mats in there. And that's the side as well. Alright. Alright, so 2018 CVT 22,000. Oh, so right now this is actually the lowest mileage one. This is 22,415, which is great. So this basically means that the person didn't really drive this all that much, which is good. Alright, and just some other information here which you don't need to know. So right, so 2018 white full size, and this is the odometer. Alright, so now let's see if we can take a look at one more, guys. All of these are white. Let's see here. Okay, so these are actually some monthly options. So let's look at one of them and see what is what. Alright, so this looks really clean. Not a fan so much of the chrome wheels, but it doesn't look too bad. That's the side view, that's another view right there. That's the back. This interior with black, so most of these that are sold, they come with a black interior. And that's the one screen that I was talking about. So this, I believe, also comes with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. And volume knob, scroll knob, AC controls, push to start, which is good. And that's the steering wheel right there. And then on the odometer, let me see if I can get a good view of it. Right, so this is actually half digital, half analog. So over here, this is the analog side, right? With speed actually here. This is digital though, and then over here now there's actually a screen. I'm not sure if you can see right there. This is the digital side. So this is where you have most of your information would actually be displayed in the car. Alright, that's a picture of the engine. Looks pretty clean. And this does come with a sunroof, which I always like to. And that's the left door again. Alright, I think that's about it. That's the back seats. That's the trunk here. That's about it. Alright, so any more information on this one here? Let's zoom in a bit. Let's see here. Front wheel drive, black. Okay, so this is the map we're going rating 30 CD 38 hour, which is about the same for the new one as well. Yeah, I think that's about it, guys. Okay, great. Alright, well, that was our episode again here today, guys. Thank you so much for joining me. I really appreciate your company here, and I really do hope that you guys enjoyed this episode. I please do look forward for more in the future. What I did today was I did a little tweaking. I'm still trying to get the perfect setup in terms of my sound and visuals as well. So you guys let me know in the comments if you notice anything different. And if you like it or you don't like it, let me know. Because I want to try to get it to where I feel comfortable with it and that it's easy for you guys as well. Alright, so just want to say thank you so much for joining me today, guys. I really appreciate it. I hope that if you learned something here today, it will stick with you and look forward to seeing you in the next episode. Thank you so much, guys. Take care